Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page, where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So what you want to do is log into your account where your WordPress website is and open it up. So after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the home page right here, which is the main page where at the left side of the screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started deleting our website. What we're looking for, guys, is right here at the left side of the screen. You want to go ahead and find the settings option. So go ahead and find settings. As you can see, here are the settings we can use, and this is going to open up this new menu where you can take a look at all the settings options you can access. You want to open up general. Click on general settings. This is now going to open up this new menu where you can go ahead and take a look at all your general settings. And what we want to do is scroll all the way down. So scroll all the way down, and the last option that you have in your site tools option right here is going to be delete your site permanently. So this is going to delete all your posts, pages, media, data, and give up your site address. So if you're sure you want to do it, guys, click on right here and you can get started with entering your password and so on, and you confirm you want to delete your website and so on. So that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.